I think we should do the drift again.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Do the drift. Right now.
I'm about to go ask more people.
Jimmy's in control.
Think we should do the drift again?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do the drift. Don, you gotta do that drift again. You wanna do the drift?
I'm gonna get video of it.
Alright, I'll get video of it. You wanna do the drift?
Yeah. Joe, you drifting?
Look at this shit. Old Joe's still back there. Poor old Joe.
You do flip, I'm gonna have it on video.
Crank it up!
So what, we come from all the way back here and just did a turn? Yeah. Yeah, dude, it was
That's the line. Look, it's like a drag.
I see it.
Woo!
I'm sitting right there already.
Let's do it. Who's riding? Because if nobody calls, I'm getting it.
You do it. Hell is riding. You staying right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a good video.
Nah, get a different angle. Go stand over there.
I was staying right there, but I feel like I'm gonna get.
I'll do it. You just get it from right here.
I really get one on my phone anyways, man.
Oh, is he just gonna do it with nobody in there?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's great.
Go hard.
Do it like drifter. It's a promotion. Old Joe Man back there. Poor old Joe Man's got a ride. Whoa. That's the cinder. Do the drift! I'm gonna go down here. Warm up round. Here we go. Can I get a hell yeah, cousin? back down the hill. Yep, that is where you jumped out. Yeah! Nice to meet you, sir.
How you doing?
Oh man, that's like a locomotive. Joe? Joe dog. Joe man. You okay, buddy? Good boy. Good boy. Boy, you won't get out, don't you? It's okay. He's good. He's good. Huh? Let him out. Can he let Joe man out? Huh?
Hey, you get knocked around in there.
He seems to be alright. He's wagging his tail.